Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In this video, we're going to see what we can do with HTTP custom. So the VPN I'm talking about, let us first download it from Google Play Store, the HTTP custom VPN. That is the VPN. We're going to search. The thing we are going to be doing, it will be very simple. After downloading it on Google Play Store, open the VPN application. Guys, I request you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to share this video to your friend, and like this video, guys. You allow it, give it all permissions. Then you're going to go here and put in our account we created. Remember last time I told you guys how we can be creating the UDP custom account. So if you haven't yet watched that video, just rush to the description down there. You will see the video how to create a UDP custom account. You'll learn how to create it, and then you just paste it, because for us we already learned how to create that UDP custom. But if you haven't yet learned how to create it, you go to the description, or I'm going to pin it somewhere in the comment section or the description, so that you guys can learn also how to create that account. So now we are going to create a file which is working but in a stylish way. You know, guys, we want styles, we want something that looks attractive to our customers that buy these files. So we're going to come. Remember, here at Marius Tech, we don't gamble. We are just realistic. So if you get any comedy in your head, just rush to the comment section down there, drop a suggestion, and then we are always available 24/7 to answer your question. So come to the plus button and then choose the option of saving configuration, that one. Then I'm going to save the configuration. I'm going to be explaining each and everything so that you guys can understand what we are doing and be with us. So the file name, I'm going to put it Marius Tech YouTube all countries. All countries, it's enough. So now right here, you come where we have the extra sniff activated, you come where we have the note activated, and then we are going to activate also the password to ensure our security of the file, because we have learned how to create a UDP custom account. Now we must use that knowledge to make some money. Now we are going to go in the extra. You're going to set our expiry date. Of course, 28th will be our expiry date. And then I'm going to come in the custom message. I activate that icon of custom message, and then I'm going to go where we have the powered by. We're going to put powered by Marius Tech. Just put any message you want of your choice. Marius Tech. Remember that option I'll be showing you where that powered by option is by the end of this video, 256. Then I'm going to come where I have the note right here. Let me first put in the password as money. Then you're going to come here where we have the note. Here where we have the note, we're going to open these tags, and then I'm going to put H. Then I close it, and then I open another one. I put a slash, then I put H, then I close, then I'll come and put number 3, H. Let me put 3, and here let me put 3. Then in the middle of those H, let me put Marius Tech Hub all countries file. Then after, we are going to go to the and then you're going to put some message in the green sort of. So let us go, and then we open the tags, and then I'm going to span, and then I'm going to style the SP of style, and then I'm going to press the equal sign, and then I'll open the quotations. Remember, once you open something, you just remember to close it. Color, I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to put something in green. After putting something in green, I'm going to put these ones, and then I close my quotations which I opened, and then I put that thing the way it looked. I'm going to put this file. No, I'm not going to put that message right here. Let me first copy it to my clipboard. Then I'm going to wrap it. I'm going to first close a moment. Don't leave a space while closing. And then I'm going to first close the styling stuff. I'm going to close style, and then I close. Let me close. Then I come in the middle. I just paste my thing. This file works in all countries and almost all networks except Airtel Uganda, where someone buys LAN from home bundle. If you want this configuration file, I'm going to be selling it. Just go at the channel page, then inbox me. I'm going to be selling it. Then I'm going to come and I open another one. Let me just copy it. I don't have time of opening and closing, opening and closing. I also think you guys don't have that time. Let me copy that. I want to put down here so that I can be setting the expiry date, but the expiry date must be in green, not red. Then I say expires on 28th February 2026. Then I close my style. Close style. Then you close. Then I'm going to say made with love by Miles Tech YouTube. (2026). And then I'm going to put that in H1. In H1. But these styles, I recommend you guys to be using them because they increase your knowledge in some areas. I love the green heart, and then I'm going to be putting that. Then I put some coffee, and then I will go back Then let me go and we see how it will be looking. But the expires must be in green. Style, is it closed? That expires must be in red. Let me just span. Let me close the span on this. Let me close. Span means that only that text is. Now let me see. Now I've closed the span tab. Even here you are free to close, but the thing has come out. Now let us save our configuration file, and then we allow, then we go and open, and then we see it. The password is, oh no, our password here, it is mine, and then we submit, and then we connect our configuration file. When it connects, it has connected successfully. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remain Mouse Tech. I sign out.